Good morning. I have an interesting article here. Pike County man. Articles from Mr. Ralph Davis. Mr. Michael Wayne Hillary, 57, in the car, was arrested on May 15. Child porn on his computer. 10,000 porn files and 41,000 other files of interest. Confirmed to contain child porn. That's just sick. Sicko. The guy was probably a loner growing up and probably couldn't keep a stable relationship. Could have been abused as well. Existing federal charges: possession of porn involving prepubescent minors, children under 12. Potential additional federal charges: receipt of child porn, distribution, production, access with intent to view, possession involving toddlers and infants. How sick. The aggravating factors: volume of material, 10,000 confirmed files and 41,000 files of interest. Includes toddlers and children under 12. Extreme abuse. My God. Legal brief. Potential charges against Michael Wayne Hillary. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I don't practice law, but I do legal research. 57 in the car. Possession of child porn. Let's see, I've already read on that. Aggravating factors: 10,000 confirmed files, 41 additional files of interest. That's reform. Understaffed and underfunded as usual. So let's see here. Again, I'm not a lawyer, but I do legal research. Key federal case law on child porn. United States versus Williams, 2008, citation 553 U.S. 285. The holding upheld the constitutionality of 18 U.S.C., and I will explain this right here, how to read that. Structural breakdown of Title 18, Chapter 110, Section 2252A. Activities relating to material constituting or containing child porn. Subsection A, right here. Lists prohibited acts. Paragraph 3 focuses on reproduction, advertising, and solicitation. Subparagraph B targets pandering and solicitation of illicit material. God, such a sicko. Kentucky specific cases and statutes. Commonwealth versus Manuel Curry, 2022, Keaton County Circuit Court. Outcome: 20-year sentence for 69 counts of possession. Details included newborn victims and defendant attempted to destroy evidence. Relevance: showed Kentucky courts impose maximum penalties for extreme cases, especially with infant victims. U.S. versus Austin David Stafford, 2025. Jurisdiction: Eastern District of Kentucky. Outcome: 540-month sentence for production and distribution. CSAM. Details: use sextortion and fake personas to coerce minors. My God. Legislative update: Kentucky House Bill 207, 2024. Provision: criminalizes ownership of child sex dolls and AI-generated child porn. My God, that's desperation. Relevance expands prosecutorial tools for digital exploitation cases. Could be cited in advocacy for broader reform. Just a sick individual. He's, like I said, he's probably been a loner and probably uh, not able to keep a stable relationship. Probably abused when he was younger. Um, it's just awful. And with all that being said, just everybody have a good morning and keep the peace. Be nice to one another and stay safe. Have a good day.